How's it going, guys? Andy Aranda with Pure Plumbing and Air, and I'm here today to go over water systems. Well, we have a two-stage water system that's called Pure Protector 2000, and this system is the best system we offer, right? And the reason it is the best is because it's taking care of chlorine and it's getting rid of calcium and magnesium out of your water. So if you're ever in the shower and you're feeling, why is the heck am I so itchy? Why do I feel, but does my skin feel so irritated? Or maybe, why do my kids have eczema? You know, kids may have eczema for many reasons, but one of the main reasons is just dry skin. So I'm gonna show you our system real quick here. So this is our first stage of the system, and this is an activated carbon charcoal self-cleaning system. Now, activated carbon charcoal is crushed up coconut shells for charcoal media, right? So it's charred, and that charring of the chemicals is allowing those chemicals to be absorbed into that charcoal. So they use it for many reasons. So this activated carbon charcoal self-cleaning system is going to remove any type of chemicals in the water, okay? So does it remove everything 100%? No, it doesn't, but it reduces it greatly. Now, our water here in Las Vegas has chlorine in it. So that chlorine, after it kills the bacteria from our lake, has to be removed in order to go into your household. It also helps protect your water softening system. So right here we have a water softener, and this particular system right here has resin beads in it. Now we use calcium tin resin in our softeners, and what the softener is designed to do is it's designed to take out calcium and magnesium. That's what makes us feel itchy and scratchy and dries out our skin, right? So this system here is designed to protect this system, not only just take out the chemicals, but protect this system from going out prematurely. So this protects the resin beads that are in the system. So if you want a system that is really gonna work for you, I would suggest going with the two-stage setup. We call this Pure Protector 2000. And this system comes with a custom head made for Pure Plumbing, and it has all of our information on it. We set this system up to regenerate based on days or based on gallons used, which is an advantage for homeowners that might travel. We can set it up to regenerate when you're gone, so you can come home to a nice, clean system. But not only do these systems protect you and your family, your dishes from corrosion, or your shower doors from buildup, but it also protects you and your plumbing system. So if you want to be sure, call Pure and we'll get you a system today.